Is your Chevy Equinox backup camera screen flickering or staying black when you shift into reverse? Statistically, 70% of these screen issues are just software glitches that a quick reset can clear right up. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to identify the root cause. Start by cleaning your rear lens, then check your fuse box, and finally perform a hard reset by disconnecting the battery. If the reset fails, look for corroded trunk wiring, a bad control module, or a loose display cable behind the head unit. Sometimes your MyLink system just needs an official software update to fix known communication bugs. You can handle the basic resets yourself, but leave complex module programming or harness repair to the professionals. Costs vary wildly depending on whether you're looking at a simple reset or a full module replacement. For advanced diagnostics, use an OBDI scanner to find specific fault codes and a multimeter to check for power. Keep these three tools in your kit to handle most electrical troubleshooting tasks on your Chevy. Remember, always disconnect your battery before touching any electrical connectors to prevent shorting sensitive modules. Try the hard reset first, and if that does not work, check your wiring before buying new parts.